The reason why we started Lake Time Brewery was pretty much out of a need. Clear Lake's just a great town. We double in the summer. It was one of those deals where I knew it was a prime location for a brewery, with the brewery industry just kicking off like 5-6 years ago, really doubling. It was one of those deals where if I didn't do it, somebody else was going to do it. And then every time I went into that new brewery, I could have known that should have been mine.
The community has been amazing help and support for us with the brewery. We have locals coming into the tap room all the time, giving us feedback on the products, giving us ideas for new products. Without their support, we really wouldn't be here. Tourism is great, but it's our locals coming in every single week that really drives our business.
Currently, we're canning 5 brands. So we have Peanut Butter Porter, which is our #1 distributed beer. Oreo Speedwagon is a chocolate vanilla milk stout. We have Main Squeeze, which is a lemon vice. We have Sandy Bottoms, which is an American wheat. And then we have one of our newest is Haze of Our Lives, which is a New England style IPA. One of the most important factors to me on brewing beer is keeping your quality. So we never sacrifice quality going from the smaller system to the larger system, and that will never end. There's been a few very important things I've learned by opening our own business, and they change yearly. Like in the beginning, it was production, always running out of beer. And then later it was coming up with financing for our production facility. And then now it's changed again with distribution and cash flow. And I'm looking forward to see what's next. So the Pappajohn Small Business Development Center helped us all along the way. First of all, 6 years ago, I took the Launch and Grow business class, and that got all my ideas into one solid business plan. And most recently, they helped us with financing for our canning line that we were able to make sure that was a valid expansion for us. And it was. They agreed. We went with it. With this new production facility and our canning line, we were able to expand throughout the state. So we were able to distribute in 23 counties in Northeast Iowa and also 8 counties around the Des Moines metro. So I think big picture for me is expanding the production facility into another section of this building, and then expanding into more fermenters. That way we can hit more of the state. Because currently we have, I'd estimate, 5 to 10% of the state. So there's still a lot of market open for us to go into.
One of the most exciting things about our expansion this summer has been going to beer festivals outside of the local area and being able to tell the customers there and the participants that they can buy our beer in those areas. They don't have to come to Clear Lake anymore. We're distributing across the state, so they can buy it anywhere. I think that as soon as you have an idea for a business, you should reach out to the Pappajohn SBDC Center, because they can help you decide whether that idea is a valid business plan or not. So immediately, that's the first step.